Hello everyone. Today I am going to make a short video on the my interview experience in IIT for VLSI companies. I will try. I will make 3 4 videos from different company, whichever I have gone through the interviews. So I will make a short videos, not that long. I saw on the YouTube like people are making from 35 minutes to 1 hour's videos. I don't know why they are making this long video because hardly the interview will in IIT will go for 30 minutes to 1 hour. There can be multiple rounds. There may be or may not be multiple rounds. So for me, in all interview for all company, I had a only one round for all companies. So basically, the other round will be HR or more basic based on other department domain. So let me begin with the first video of this series. So first, I will talk about my Intel interview. So interviewer asked me question on bit manipulation. If you have not studied this bit manipulation, just search on Google. You will find many question on manipulation. So why it is important, I will tell. So there is a circuit he wants. What the circuit will be if the input is 4 bits and you have to give the output 1. So first, when the input is even, so your output should be 1 whenever the input is 1. Second question in this is when the input is odd, the output should be 1, and when the input of is the power of 2, then the output should be 1. So this question is simple. If you will draw the truth tables and you will do the k map and all, you will find the answer, but you have to go through the logical, because interviewer wants to know how you are solving the problem and how quickly you can solve. So suppose that I will give you an example, otherwise I will not give answer to any of the questions. So here just giving an example for this. Suppose that if input is odd, this is a 4 bit uh, input. So you know the for odd number the last bit will be 1, or for even the last bit will be 0. So you don't need to put the circuitry for this. You can only use this bit and make a circuit. This is how you should answer there. Second question, he wanted to ask me about meta stability, but instead he wants that term from me. So he just asked why synchronizer we used while we are transferring data from one clock domain to other clock domain. In the continuation of the same question, they ask like how this meta stability occur. Just brief how this meta stability occur, and how we can how to overcome with through this meta stability through synchronizer. And the third question also in the continuation of this, and he asked about the different type of synchronizer we have in brief, and on each synchronizer what is the difference and what is where to use which in which application kind. There is one synchronizer in which we use this hand shaking mechanism, so that he asked separately. The other question he asked about the multiple clock cycle path and why we use this multiple clock cycle path. Uh, the next question was, what do you mean by synthesizing? Just he wanted a brief on this synthesizing. He didn't ask me further question on this synthesizing topic. Other logical question he also asked. He gave me a gate. There is a OR gate with a not on one input, and he asked me. He gave this gate, and he asked me if this gate is a universal gate. First question, and can we make NAND or XOR gate? If yes, then you have to draw NAND gate using this specific gate. Uh, okay, thank you guys. If you have any doubts regarding this, any question, you can ask me in comments. I will make another video for other company interview in the next video. Thank you.